Okay, first grade, if you remember correctly, we actually did our background, our desert sky, and we made our cactus. So what we will be doing today is we're going to be adding our detail very simply. We will be using an oil pastel and just a black pen to create this illusion of stickers on your cactus. So first what I would like to do though is do a cactus study, just a quick little cactus study. So let me get out of this. Just a second. Alright, so we're going to do a little cactus study. And if you notice, so this is kind of like the cactus we're going to do. And if you notice, do you see these ridges? It's very deep. See these grooves inside the cactus? So this is the black that we're going to be using. And do you notice how they're curved? Just like we did that pumpkin, they're actually curved. And we are also going to look at, so this is also one. Look at the grooves in there. You see how it kind of curves? And look how these little barbs or stickers come off of the cactus. Now we're going to do an actual little sticker study. And if you notice on each one of these little barbs, there's like a center. You have little spikes coming out of the center, almost like a little spider. But the one that's supposed to be on top is actually sticking out of the center. Do you see that? So that actually creates that illusion that they're kind of different lengths. They're not all the same lengths. So when you are creating your little stickers, you want to make sure you remember that and make sure that you have it coming out of a central circle. So what we're going to be doing, pull this back up. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating those little ridges or those curves. We're just going to give those shadows by using an oil pastel. So what you're going to do is just about where your cactus is, just like we did those pumpkins. We'll start up at the top and we're just going to curve. We're just going to do not too many curves. And maybe I want one in the center. And then I want a couple here. And maybe I want a couple here. You just want to kind of balance it out. So maybe I want one more here. Okay, so I have my little grooves of my cactus. Now if you want to trace your cactus, you can in black. But I think I'm going to leave mine just like that. I kind of like that. So you're going to get your black pen. And you are going to come along these little black grooves that you made, and you're just going to kind of do a little dot. You don't have to do a real big one. And you're just going to do different lengths. You're going to come off of that little dot. You see how that kind of creates that barbed sticker look? Alright, you also want to make sure, now you don't have to do the dots up here because you're not going to see the dots from behind the cactus. You just kind of want to make sure you crisscross some little barbs coming off from behind the cactus. You see how real that looks? Miss Rucker just kind of did some little crisscrosses. Just some little ones all the way on the edges. Because sometimes you can see the stickers from behind the cactus. So I'm just doing little crisscrosses, different lengths to make it look really realistic. And I'm just outlining the cactus with these. And if you notice, I'm not doing the dots on the edges. I'm only going to do those little dots, and that's just a guide because you really don't see those from a distance. And I'm just going to do this along all of my black. Not here. We're going to do it along the black. And we just kind of want some different, you don't have to do too many, just kind of balance it out. And don't forget to do your arms. You want to put them up here too. You just want some different lengths, almost like you're making a little spider. but with different sized legs. Okay, and you're going to do this on all the way down wherever you did black. You're going to put these little barbs or stickers. Okay, so when you're done, I'm kind of going fast, but you'll kind of take your time. You will have something that looks kind of like this, and look how realistic that looks. Okay, so that kind of give the illusion that there's a cactus out there in the middle of the desert. Okay, and then that's it. Put your things away, and you may read a book quietly until it's time to go. All right, have fun.